Hi, you are welcome to my channel. This wonderful channel provides you with stunning, elegant, creative and educative ideas based on computer techniques. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, consider to subscribe and make sure to hit the bell notification so that you don't miss new uploads. So let's start our tutorials for today. Hi viewers, you are welcome to another tutorials. Today we are going to look at the Uniform Resource Locator, which is also known as the URL. Now, what is a Uniform Resource Locator? It also refers to as a web address which serves as a unique identifier used to locate a resource on the internet. The URLs consist of multiple parts, including a protocol and a domain name, and that tell a web browser how and where to retrieve a resource. End users use URLs by typing them directly into the address bar of a web browser or by clicking a hyperlink found on a web page, bookmark list, in an email or from another application. The URL contains the name of the protocol needed to access a resource as well as a resource name. The first part of the URL identifies is what is called a protocol, which is used as the primary access medium. The second part identifies the IP address or domain name and possibly subdomain where the resource is located. A uniform resource locator is a way of identifying the location of a file on the internet. They are what we use to open not only websites but also to download images, videos and software programs, and any other type of files that are hosted on a server. Now, all informations which are widely shown on the internet are contained by a server. Therefore, if you want to retrieve this information, you need to type this URL or this website address, and that the search engine is going to crawl and fix all this information and open within your browser. That is where you have your related web page. So we are going to look at some examples of this Uniform Resource Locator. These are some few examples I have here, and these examples of URLs, when you type them or when you copy and paste them into your address bar, they are going to display their related web page within your open browser. So we have this Wikipedia website, and the first information that you see, which is the HTTPS, the hypertext transfer protocol. This is the protocol that helps to identify the right web page for you, and this is the domain. This is the domain that helps you to identify whether you want to open the Wikipedia. So this is the domain, and we have subdomain. This is the extension of this domain. And when you come to this, we have the protocol, we have the domain, which is the facebook.com. We have subdomain as well. We also have this www.youtube.com, and this is the protocol, and this is the domain, and as well as this google.com. So all these are examples of URLs. When you type them into your address bar of your web browser, it's going to open its related web page on your computer screen. Now, what are some of the use of URL? It is used to create links to other documents. It's used to link a document with its related resources through various elements, and also it is used to display media such as images, audio, videos and etc. So we are going to open a browser on our computer desktop, then we insert these URLs and see how they work. Now I have my Opera Mini browser open. I'm going to create a new tab. This is the address bar of this browser. Therefore, if I type, now this is the address or the URL of this computer home site, and when I hit the enter key, this is going to display its related web page, and you can see that we have computer home, and I can scroll to find more information. And as we said, some uses of URL, it is used to display images, text, audios and videos. And here you can see that we have some text here, we have some image, text, image, this is the web page of this particular website. I can type a new website, www.tube.com. This is also a URL. When I hit the enter key, this is also going to display its web page within this browser. So every URL has its web page depending on the URL you are typing into your address bar. So this is how the URL works. It locates resource or content over the internet. It also helps to create links to other documents. So this is how URL, that is Uniform Resource Locator, works over the internet.